coming through because of her marriage.
He's bleeding out of his chest, ribs are broken.
On June 2nd, 2018, Chef Dan Brophy, a beloved instructor at the Oregon Culinary Institute, was found fatally shot twice at close range in his classroom.
The last thing he saw was his wife's face as she murdered him. Think about it.
68-year-old Nancy, appearing mournful at her husband's vigil, told investigators she was at home in bed at the time of his murder. But surveillance video captured her minivan driving near the Culinary Institute.
She lied about her whereabouts, and that video also places her near the scene of the murder.
During the investigation, police say they found an article titled 10 Ways to Cover Up a Murder, bookmarked on the couple's joint iTunes account. Detectives also uncovered a chilling essay Nancy had written in 2011 titled How to Murder Your Husband.
In her essay, she even lays out MOs, method of operation, as to how you should best murder your husband. And FYI, she took her own advice. We noticed that Brophy was murdered at work. No blood was shed on her carpet at home.
Nancy was arrested 3 months after the shooting and charged with murder.
The motive was money.
Acting as her own agent, Nancy allegedly sold herself several life insurance policies on Dan and stood to gain over $1.1 million from his death.
The romance novelist had a sideline business. She wrote up insurance policies, or at least wrote up her own insurance policies. That's odd, isn't it? She even made sure he was killed at work so she could file for workers' comp. That takes a lot of thinking.
Detectives believe Nancy planned to cover her tracks by swapping parts of her gun with replacement parts.
She goes to a website called ghostgun.com, and she buys a kit to change out the slide at the barrel of the Glock so the bullets used would not be traceable back to her Glock.
With her trial still months away, Nancy recently sought to be released from prison due to COVID-19 fears.
The court said no, and the court was right. At this juncture, if she's convicted, she's looking at life behind bars.
Nancy Crampton Brophy's trial is reportedly set to begin in September, and certainly we'll continue to keep our eye on this story. All right, we turn now